Hi everyone, I did my project on CVS Health, which also stands for Consumer Value Store, which is an American healthcare company that has operated in a lot of different segments in the healthcare industry here in America. It was founded in 1963 by two brothers and a partner in Massachusetts. Early on in their growth, they were really blessed with rapid growth, and by their 35th anniversary, they had over 4,000 stores. CVS is currently the fifth largest company in America in terms of revenue. This statistic blew my mind, and I really honestly didn't even realize that. And so CVS has created an online pharmacy, which is so crucial in today's world. So much shopping is done online, and with the click of a button, it becomes so much easier to purchase things when there's an online option. They've also created a healthcare loyalty program where you get discounts and alerts and different savings from that loyalty program. And they're also the first national homeophilia home service. The company's purpose is really to help people on their path to better health. And in our world today, health is so important. Me struggling with my own physical health issues, I know how much health can affect every aspect of life. And so the company CVS really wants that for other people and for all of America. And so in 2016, they launched the Be the First, which was an initiative with the goal to help get rid of tobacco in our country. They really knew that tobacco was affecting people's health, and they were committed to help people with bettering their health. And so tobacco nearly brought in $2 million each year. But CVS saw the future in wellness and health, and not tobacco and the money. And so they really had that value, that purpose of wanting everyone to have good health. And so because tobacco went against that core value, they stopped selling it. The company culture analysis is really split up in a bunch of different subsidiaries, which allow the company to have a lot of different diversity and to compete in multiple healthcare markets. They really have a strong emphasis on customer and delivering the goods and services and providing a smooth one-on-one healthcare kind of experience. Looking at the competing values framework here on the right, CVS has a lot of different of those values. They have nurturing, their participation, they value innovation, they're efficient, and they really have a bunch of all those market different things like result-oriented, getting the job done, values competitions, and achievements. So CVS has a bunch of different unique and successful characteristics. So this video I'm going to play soon just goes through a bunch of their values and different awards that they've achieved through those values. So that video talked about all these different values that CVS possesses and how they've been able to create such an amazing company where they really hold true to those values. And so another unique thing that CVS has in place is their supplier network. In 2015, they acquired OmniCare, the leading provider of pharmacy services to long-term care facilities, which has really helped get their brand out because that is a very big company. They've also worked with Target to get in their pharmacies and clinics. They also have made a big emphasis on supporting women-owned businesses and sourcing products from those different diverse businesses. So my suggestions for CVS as a company is to continue to value innovation as a key component of company culture. In our world today, companies are always searching for growth, and there is an immense amount of competition. And so in order for CVS to compete with those competitions, they really need to be innovative and continue to find ways that they can better their company and better who they are. And so yeah, and they also can increase an emphasis on consumer equity and social responsibility. They've done a great job about this. They really care about social responsibility in America, but as they continue to increase this emphasis, it will only help CVS grow as a business. I also suggest expanding international and e-commerce market expansion. This can really help with their sales and their platform as a business, especially with things all going online. I also suggest expanding the front store selection to compete with supermarkets. That's one of the biggest downside of CVS is nowadays Walmart, Smith's all have these pharmacies in their grocery store. And so customers can just go to Walmart and get their prescription while also doing their grocery shopping. And so the need for CVS and pharmacies like CVS has kind of diminished with these supermarkets in place. And so they need to have that front store selection in order for people to feel like they aren't wasting a trip for just a prescription. My last suggestion is to invest in technology. This is a growing company, and with growing companies, you always need to be on top of the technology and the current technology it has. These are my different references about CVS and about this report. I've really enjoyed learning all that I can about this great company, and I hope that they have great things in store for the future.